Hello from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company. We're introducing the Bernina, top of the line. It's a Bernina Industrial 950 class. This machine have the stitches regulations, which big stitch, small stitch, plus a reverse, which you move that knob, a buttonhole, and zigzag in all size. Plus this one have a tension, automatically tension, have a 20 different design, a built-in bobbin filler. And the machine is excellent condition. It's about 3 months use repossession. And we're gonna demonstrate the machine right now. As you see, it's a straight stitch, very fast. A beautiful stitch back and forth. And we'll do a design right now. You can see, you can choose any design you want, just move the button. If you want it smaller stitch, we'll go to a smaller stitch. As you see the design change, we'll move the button so you see different design. As you see that. Very quick, very smooth. Over 20 different design, as I say. Full warranty for a full year on anything in the machine. It comes with all the parts belong to this machine included, with needles, gauge, top stitch foot, cording foot, zipper foot, embroidery, and the bobbins. Thank you very much. And for further information, call us on 213-892-0995 or toll free, or www.atlaslevy.com. You can visit us. Thank you very much. From Levy, from Atlas Levy.